Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit your workplace information on Facebook using your PC after the new update. It's a straightforward process, so let's jump right in. 1. Open Facebook first. Head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Go to your profile. Look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it to access the drop-down menu, then click on your name to go directly to your profile. 3. Access the About section. Once you're on your profile page, find the About section. It's usually located under your cover photo and profile information. Click on it. 4. Find Work and Education. In the About section, you'll see different categories listed on the left-hand side. Look for Work and Education and click on it. This is where your current and past work experiences are displayed. 5. Edit your workplace. Find the workplace you want to edit. Next to that workplace listing, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. 6. Select Edit Workplace. From the drop-down menu, choose Edit Workplace. This will allow you to make changes to the information you originally entered. 7. Make your changes. Now you can update any details about your workplace. This might include your position, the dates you worked there, or any other relevant information. 8. Save. Once you've made all the necessary changes, click the Save button. This will update your workplace information on your Facebook profile. And that's it. You've successfully edited your workplace information on Facebook. This is a great way to keep your profile up to date and ensure your network knows where you're currently working.